Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and it's Hump Day, Wednesday, May 23rd, 2018, and the markets go mostly bullish, but we got a couple things to look at here. Here's the Spider ETF, and we got this big pop up over the symmetrical triangle. We got this high base started. We got this pop up and down all over the place, and this is building a high base, guys. This is a bullish formation that we're looking at here. The diamonds, look at this. Up, up, up. I had put a sell on it. We started dropping. Had to put a buy on it when it popped higher. And today we ended low. Almost had to put a sell on it, but it popped back up. So I'm good with my buy at this moment. Still a high base, but all the major moving averages, guys, pretty strong on the Dow 30. NASDAQ gets a buy today. Gets a buy, and you'll notice I put buy and sell signals on here on the charts that I look at. This is for my own personal use. Do not use those for your own trades. The only reason I do it is so you can see the caliber of trading that we do, because we do mentor. That's what we do. Russell's the small caps, fairly flat. Yesterday we had a sell on it. It dropped today, but do I want to put a buy back on this? I think I'm going to reverse my sell and put that as a buy, because the market's looking pretty bullish, but financials are off 0.6%. 0.6%. We popped up yesterday. I'm going to stay with this. I'm going to stay with that. I'm going to stay with that. And let's see here. US dollar is still going higher, so I'm good with US dollar going higher. It's interesting that the stocks are starting to show a bullish move. I thought the US dollar would be down more than that. Crude oil is a big fat sell. It's breaking down from its rising wedge. I would not want to be holding crude right now. Gold, let's see that. I got a sell on it. I'm good with gold as a sell unless we pop up over this area of resistance. Silver, have a sell on that. Drop. Oh, do I want to put a buy on this now? Oh boy, I'm going to stay with myself for the time being. VIX, we're just down at 12.6. The fear, there's just no fear out there. Bitcoin down 5%, just a big drop last couple of days. Yesterday it broke a major area of support, had to put a sell on it, and it continues down, but it found support on this trend line. You see where it touched it and it rallied back. Question is, will we drop down below that? Bitcoin in a lot of trouble. GBTC, look at this. GBTC looked like it was ready to go. However, when it popped up, what was that, Monday, and it came back down, that was worrisome. But when it broke down below that support line, I had to put a sell on it. Today we drop. People are trying to buy it now on that right off the support. But if it starts to bounce off the support and head back up, I may put a buy back on it. But that's where we're at this moment. Let's just take a quick look here at some stocks of interest. Let's do that before we do. As you'll see somewhere on this page, we're floating around somewhere on here. I have groktrade.com/MTM, Meet the Mentor. This Thursday, we're doing a live mentor. It'll be Mark the Meerkat and me Thursday night hanging out, and we're just going to be talking about our trading and giving you all the facts on our trading, just so if you've ever wondered about what our trading consists of, at least you'll have the facts to be able to make an intelligent, informed decision on if we have a match or not. That's all. If you want to join us, we just give you a link. You can pop in and out whenever you want to. You don't have to register. It's just a link. So go to Meet the Mentor, groktrade.com, Meet the Mentor, or MTM/MTM, and that'll be good. Let's look at this. We always have to look at Apple. Apple, oh, I got a sell on that, but I'm going to turn that into a buy on Apple. This high base, this thing could, I think we could be going bullish here, guys. BA is up more than 1%. I got a buy on it, so I'll stay with my buy on that one. Caterpillar is almost 1% up. I got a buy on that. I'm going to stay with it. It's above all major moving averages now. Disney's down more than 1%. Ooh, I had a sell on it, and that short's going very well. And whoa, GE down 7%. Are you kidding me? Look at this, guys. That gets a big fat sell. Had a buy back here at 13. Now the sell is 14, so we made a point off of it. But holy smokies, what a big drop. Anybody else? Big movement. Ooh, Intel Intel. Now we're in a rising wedge. I still have a buy on it, but this is a big time bearish formation. I'm gonna stay with this bullish formation, or this. No, look at this. So we got a bullish buy up, and then we sold it here. So right now I'm underwater on this one. I'm going to stay with my bearish position as it's a big bearish formation unless we break over that resistance point. Then I'll have to reverse it. Okay. Anybody else here? Ooh, McDonald's up 1.36%. I got to sell on it, and then I think that's going to be a buy now. McDonald's is a buy, and Merck 1.6. I got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy on Merck. Microsoft is up 1.9. Whoa, look at this. Busted resistance. This rising wedge is now null and void. Where all systems go on Microsoft. That looks great. Looks great. Looks great. Looks great. Who else do we want to look at here? Anybody? Verizon, or I'm sorry. Visa is up 1%. That's good. Yeah, nobody else. Hey, we got the time. Let's look at tech stocks. Grok, tech stocks. Let's go there. We already looked at Apple. Amazon's up 1.2%. Got to sell. That gets a buy. That gets a buy. Anybody? Right there. Facebook up 1.7%. Ooh, I had a buy on it, and it popped up nicely. Google. Oh boy, you know what? I'm actually going to put buys on Google and Google. GoPro's up 2.24%. Ooh, I got to sell on it. Let me look at this. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to put a buy. I'm going to put a buy and GoPro. Microsoft. We already looked at that one, didn't we? Netflix is up 4%. Whoa. And I got a buy on it here at 320, and it's at 344. So we're talking 24 points in a matter of 2 weeks that we made on this one. Very good. Good trade. NVIDIA up 2% today. Got to sell on it. Because of that, I'm going to put this as a buy, bouncing off the rising moving averages. Oracle's up 1%. I have a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy on that. Red Hat up 1.8%. Got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with it. Shopify up 1.5%. Got to sell on it. Dude, do I want to put a buy now? I can't do it. I'm not going to put a buy there. Even though I expect it to go higher, I'm good with my sell. Snap doesn't matter. It's just trash. Twitter, 1.7%. I'm in it. Boom. Perfect. There it is. Mile long time. Hey, a lot of chop this week. Just going a whole lot of nothing. Anyway, for those people who do join us on the program Thursday night, I promise you it'll be highly educational. You'll love it. groktrade.com/MTM. And it's 8:30 Eastern, 5:30 Pacific. And it'd be a good time. We'll open it up for questions and answers, and hope you can join us. I think it'll be worth your time. So we've mentored over 2,500 students. And when it comes to just training individuals, thousands and thousands and thousands, literally, people that we've taught. But the markets have been insane. Bitcoin dropping. The rest of the market's up. But remember, financial is just a little weak, guys. Just keep watching that. I think it would behoove you to do so. Today's my racquetball night. I'm gonna go play racquetball. Any tennis players out there? I'm starting to play tennis. So I got tennis and racquetball going. Let me know if you play any sports. I'm 44. I've been trading 20 years in the market, and I still play sports. If you play a sport, let me know what it is. I'd be interested to know. So we'll catch you guys later. We'll see you. Bye.